Hey, what's up, guys? So, our topic for today is that how we will know the age of this Ruby, John, Mike, Frank, and Zeus, the age of these peoples right here. So, let's get started. Um, First, I already have here my formula, so it will be easy for you. I'll just drop it down there. So, here you can just copy and paste this so it will make your time so easily. There, the age is 25, right? So if you want to get all of the age of this remaining, just click this mini box here and drag it down just like that. So easy, right? So for the second one is that you want to know the exact month and the year. So in order for us to do that, just again copy and paste this. Make sure delete this once. So here you have here in this box, just paste it and press enter. There, 25 years, 10 months, and 21 days. So again, in order for you to have those remaining, you have to drag this down again. Just like that. Easy, right? So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.